See, we beat these kids just a little bit ago on first map. They both left, so I couldn't get proof, but they both left with like 3 minutes left, and we were beating them like 27-10 on Stormfront Grind. And this kid, dude, this is like, we've been sitting here for like 10 fucking minutes, and this dude will not start the game. He's like, we're still in like the public match thing. I don't know what the heck we're doing. And this fool is just straight chilling. Like, they will not switch to private match and start Prison Break Search and Destroy. I don't know what the heck they're doing, but yeah, that's a forfeit since they didn't start in 5 minutes, dude. Like, I don't know what the fuck. Nobody knows what these kids are doing, dude. They're like 200Ks and they don't even know what the fuck they're doing. They just straight up left, and that's frustrating. But as you can see, it's been a minute since I've recorded, man. This fool still hasn't even switched.